Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 01 August 2018, 20 of hour, 43 of minute and 09 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what are the advantages of a maglev train? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what are the advantages of a maglev train. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what are the advantages of a maglev train. Advantages: magnetic levitation trains in Germany and Japan are capable of reaching speeds up to 500 km/h. They are faster than conventional train systems. Maglevs can provide sustained speeds greater than 500 km/h, limited only by the cost of power to overcome wind resistance. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.